Friends, I am B. Singh, founder and director MadeEasy Group. Recently, UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2019 result is declared, and you are watching Topper's Talk. In this talk today with me is Mr. Akanksh Vashishta. Akanksh has secured All India rank 20 in Mechanical Engineering in ESE 2019 examination. He belonged to Jaipur and he has done his BTech from Thapar University, Patiala. And he is a classroom course batch student from Jaipur Center, and he joined the mains batch also and interview guidance program also. Akanksh, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
And this journey to reach here has been inspiring, and especially UPSC has a lot of competition.
Yes, sir.
And once you want to reach at class 1 job, UPSC is the only mode or medium.
Yes, sir.
So when you started your preparation for the engineering services?
Sir, I started my preparation from 2016 as soon as I passed out from the college.
Right. So it took almost 2 to 3 years for
Yes,
the
sir.
to
3
reach.
years, sir. 3 years, sir.
So what happened in the first attempt? You was not able to clear your prelims.
Sir, basically, in the first attempt, first of all, it was very difficult to analyze that how the paper is going to be attempted, because more than the preparation, strategy is important.
And 2017 was the year when the pattern of the engineering services changed.
Yes, sir.
And GS was introduced of a very different type
Yes,
first
sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in 2018, you cleared prelims,
Yes, sir.
but you could not clear the,
Cleared the mains.
So, and in 2019, finally you reached in
Yes.
top 20.
Yes, sir.
So, step by step, definitely the preparation requires time,
Yes,
and it preparation, technical, non-technical, lot of flavors has to be covered.
Yes,
So,
sir.
you gave more focus to the technical portion or GS or equal?
Sir, I took the balanced approach because general studies is the most crucial approach, crucial thing, because in that the cutoff goes very bit low as compared to the technical portion. And in the GS, actually, it is not very clear as to how to prepare that
Right,
GS part.
right.
So for that, apart from the MadeEasy notes and so, you have to refer to the internet also sometimes.
for GS portion.
For GS portion, especially like current affairs, like ICT, etc., environment, etc. And it would also gain. It would also help me. It has also helped me to gain the interest in the
Right.
GS subjects also, as I browse through the internet. So it actually gained the interest
Great.
for me, because sticking to the books only, it's not sufficient. If you have to score extra, you have to give the extra effort.
Obviously.
So for-
And GS becomes a cutting edge over the other students if you are good in GS.
Yes,
you
sir.
can take a lead
Yes, sir.
and you can score some extra marks.
sir.
That is
Absolutely, sir.
advantage.
Absolutely, sir.
This year prelims technical portion was quite difficult. It
Quite
was
difficult,
lengthy,
sir. Yes,
and almost all students were not able to attempt entire paper.
Yes, sir.
So, what kind of practice you made?
So basically, this year, especially the prelims was so as to designed that the student, which has got very calculative approach, he has cleared the prelims with very good marks. And especially the question selection is very, very important.
Important,
Yes.
especially when the paper is tough.
Especially the paper is tough. So at the starting, when I just opened the paper, so I realized that a lot of questions were a bit lengthy. Like, for example, finding out the diameter of the shaft, in which the pi and all these terms were involved, in which you have to take the cube roots. So like that, complicated calculations were involved. So I just left those questions, and I considered the questions for which were more theoretical, because those type of questions, if you know, then you will answer it in single shot. Otherwise, it will take time for the calculation. So
Right.
in that, you will lag behind others.
So, in,
the
yeah,
question selection is very important.
important.
Yes.
And in ESC prelims, there is no calculator permitted.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to practice without calculator.
Yes, sir.
And GATE exam is altogether different.
Yes, sir.
In GATE, number of questions are less and our time allotted is 3 hours and
Yes, sir.
65. But here the questions are 115, 3 hours.
Yes, sir.
So speed and accuracy,
accuracy.
both are important.
Yes,
and if the questions are difficult and complex,
Yes, sir.
the selection of question becomes important.
Important. Yes, sir.
Right. If you compare this year as compared to the last year, the cutoff has also come down in the
Yes, sir.
prelims. It was
Yes, it has
187
Yeah,
and
in
last
prelims.
year it was
Yes, sir.
256 or something.
256. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 50, maybe 60 marks difference or more than 60 marks difference is simply
Yes, sir.
because of the difficulty level increased.
Difficult.
And day by day difficulty level is increasing.
Yes, sir.
And in one sense it is good because the GATE standard and ESE prelims standard coming closer.
Yes, sir.
But in one sense, it is difficult for the freshers, those who are starting preparation now.
Yes, sir.
And I believe that this difficulty level is high, then good students will be on advantage side.
Yeah, but again, one has to understand the pattern of the exam first, because that is the sole solution of the problem. Because
Right.
the paper, if it becomes simpler or it becomes difficult, if one knows the pattern correctly,
Correct.
and one knows the approach of solving the problems, then I think that he or she will crack the exam.
Right.
Whether the paper
So,
comes simpler or
Akanksh,
difficult.
in your opinion, how much time a student should devote for the study on a daily basis?
Sir, it depends on the his or her caliber basically. But yes, on an average, I think 7 hours a day must be there.
7 hours
Hours
around
a
a day. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 6 to 7 hours total study per
Yes,
day
sir.
will be needed.
Diligently.
But all depends ki how much you have studied in past, what is your background, and
Yes,
since
sir.
when you are preparing
Yes, sir.
all these things. What was the role of the test series? Because normally students, they have praised the test series is important.
Yes, sir. They are very, very important, sir, because they are the mirror for us. Because they help us to identify our mistakes, definitely. Because otherwise, if we are not performing well, so we should not take it as a demoralizing factor. Instead, we should take it as the scope of improvement.
Right.
So
So it
in
becomes
that
a tool of learning.
tool of learning, definitely, sir.
So you attempted all the papers?
Yes, sir. I attempted all the papers. Sir.
What was
I didn't ever missed a single test series.
So what was your rank approximately in test series?
Sir, honestly speaking, in the starting, my rank was not a bit good. Exactly, if I say, suppose 4,000 students were giving the exam. So sometimes 200, 300 also I dropped, 180s. But slowly I improved upon. And then when the test came for the full length, then I also came into top 10.
Okay, good.
So one needs
So
to keep
kept on
working harder and
improving
harder.
gradually.
Yes, sir. There's always a scope of improvement. So one needs to improve.
And what I believe that it is not the rank which matters.
Yes, sir.
It is the finally your performance which matters.
Yes, sir.
If the gap between the topper's marks and your marks are less,
Yes, sir.
it means good.
Yes,
So
sir.
your aim should be to bridge this gap,
To bridge
keep on
this
closing
gap.
this gap between the
Ultimately,
topper's
sir.
marks and your marks. Right. But from test series, there are a lot of learnings which happen. One is your speed and accuracy you can
Accuracy.
check.
Definitely,
How to
sir.
select the question, how to attempt the paper,
Yes, sir.
and how to improve your accuracy level. And then you can make the value additions.
Yes, sir. Definitely. Sir.
Right. So for the after the prelims, 30 days are left for the GATE examination. Did you focus on GATE or you continued preparation for mains?
No, sir. I focused on GATE, and I focused on the previous year GATE papers.
Okay.
Definitely. Yes, sir.
So how many years GATE previous done?
15 years, sir.
15 years.
Yes.
And test series of the GATE?
Yes, sir. Test series. I continued online test series also. So that helped me a lot during my course of preparation.
So what do you think for the mains? How much time is sufficient? Should a person should start right from June, July to integrate pre and mains, or let us first focus on pre and after pre focus on mains?
So first approach is better because not only the objective problems, but sometimes the conventional problems itself contains many objective problems.
Right.
So what I believe is that you should not try every conventional problem, but at least so as to clarify your concepts and to gain more confidence. One should attempt some conventional problems also. So that will ultimately lead to preparation for the prelims as well as for the mains.
Right. So finally, when you reached at the interview stage,
Yes, sir.
what was your strategy for interview?
So to be loyal, that's it, sir. To be loyal, honest with yourself. That's it.
Right. Honesty pays
And be
maximum.
confident.
Confidence
What
is
you are saying.
absolutely important.
With
How
what you are
much
saying.
marks you scored in interview?
So I scored 112 because which was less than expected, sir.
But this year, marking has been tough. In
It has been-
electronics,
had been.
mechanical, and civil, marking has been tough. I think
Yes, sir.
112 is a reasonably good score.
Okay, sir.
Last year,
Thank you.
marking was liberal, but this year, other than electrical, in all other streams, marking is tough.
Okay, sir.
So 112, I will say it is over average.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you.
So this year was this performance and interview. And any questions in interview asked from your native place, regional place, your
No,
hobbies?
sir. I was surprised to know that no questions were asked from Jodhpur or Jaipur or so and so. Not
Only
question.
technical?
Technical and some opinion-based questions were asked.
Okay.
Opinion, like I was sincerely speaking, I was like appearing in civil services interview, more kind of that.
The
Because-
panel remains same and nowadays there
Yes.
is no much difference.
So much of the questions were like opinion based. Like for example, there was an issue for waiving the loans from the farmers at the election time.
Right.
But unluckily, I was not prepared about that, so I couldn't even speak a word about that.
Okay,
And
because you was
one
not
panel
prepared.
member, yes sir, one panel member, he struck around 5 to 10 minutes on this topic.
Again
So,
and again.
yes.
This way, that way.
So
around.
I just developed my thought process, and I
Right.
tried to give some solutions, but he was not 100%
So
satisfied.
that is what to check your presence of mind, to take the
confidence, and to check your pressure handling capability.
correct. So, Akanksh, what about your social media presence and use before the examination? You continued
Sir, I
or you deactivated?
sincerely used social media very less, sir. If I talk about like WhatsApp, I was on the WhatsApp, but just for useful purpose. That's it.
So you have been
Of course,
disciplined.
for listening to songs, I used YouTube then also,
Right.
but otherwise, I was away from the social media.
And finally, would you like to share anything to the students which can help them for the preparation?
Sir, I want to use one quote which was used to hang in front of the wall, in front of
You
my
pasted
wall.
on your wall.
Yes, that is that काम की कदर करो, काम तुम्हारी कदर करेगा.
काम की कदर करो,
काम तुम्हारी कदर
काम
करेगा.
तुम्हारी कदर करेगा.
Respect your work, and the work will respect you.
Right. So never underestimate your own abilities. A day will come when your abilities will become the tool of success. You are a unique candidate. Maintain
Yes,
your uniqueness
Thank you, sir.
and always recognize your talent and your effort, which will become a tool for success a day for you. So many congratulations once
you,
again,
sir.
Akanksh.
Thank you, sir.
Well done.
Thank you.
And thank you very much.